bring over. To bring something to someone's place. He asked him to bring over the coffee. She brought over a cake for the party. They brought over some wine for dinner. Fall over. To lose balance and collapse. He tripped and fell over the toy. She almost fell over in her high heels. The stack of books fell over onto the floor. Roll over. To turn over, often in bed. She rolled over in bed and went back to sleep. The car rolled over several times in the accident. He rolled over and grabbed his phone from the nightstand. Push over. To make someone or something fall by pushing. He pushed over the girl in frustration. The wind was so strong it almost pushed me over. He pushed over the stack of books. Boil over. To become uncontrollable. His anger boiled over during the meeting. The situation boiled over into a major conflict. The water boiled over and made a mess on the stove. Cross over. To move from one side to another. She crossed over to the other side of the street. He crossed over the bridge to get to the park. The actor crossed over from TV to movies. Talk over. To discuss something thoroughly. He talked over his ideas with his mentor. She talked over the plan with her team. Let's talk over the details before making a decision. Move over. To shift position slightly to make space. She moved over on the bench to let him sit. The dog moved over when it saw the cat coming. Could you move over a bit to make room for me? Win over. To gain someone's support or favor. The speech won over the crowd. She won over her boss with hard work. They won over the guests with great food.